Every language is just a series of logic and rules that can be used to express any idea that you could possibly imagine. Now, this set of rules is called grammar, but it's much more than just nouns and verbs. It's the foundation of every language in the world. Understanding these concepts makes mastering any language in the world so much easier because you can relate things in your target language back to your native language much easier. With that, I'm Zachary, and let's dive in. Today we're talking about articles and determiners. Now these break down into several different subcategories, but they're incredibly useful, simple, but not always easy. Let's start with articles. In any language where they exist, because some of them don't, more on that in a moment, you may have definite and indefinite articles. Definite articles simply mean the. In any target language, if you're looking for how to say the, definite articles. Indefinite articles are the a and an in any new language. Now, both of these they may, depending on your target language, they could change their endings, they could change their appearance based on gender, based on quantity, or based on function in the sentence, among other things, I'm sure, but these are the three main things that you need to be aware of whenever you're digging into this in your target language. Now, determiners breaks down into several other use cases, and in my book here that I wrote just for you, I break down 4 different key areas of determiners. There are demonstratives, quantifiers, possessive, and interrogative pronouns. Let's start with the first two because they're a little more simple. So demonstratives are this, that, these, and those. And in many languages, you have basically those same forms. The way to tell the difference is proximity to the thing being referenced to. So I have this book, you have that phone. You are further away from me, maybe on the other side of the world. So that gets the further proximity. Just like I have these fingers, but you have those ones. So understanding that concept and being able to apply that to your target language is going to make it a lot easier for you to make sense of whatever it is that you're learning. The quantifiers are things like few, many, several, and none, and the various other things that you can use to denote quantity of a specific thing. Now, in your target language, both of these may change just like the articles. They may change for quantity, for gender, or for placement in the sentence. So be mindful of this too. And unsurprisingly, these same stipulations apply to the possessive and interrogative pronouns. Now, possessive pronouns are pretty straightforward. My, yours, his, hers. Now, they are in and of themselves pronouns, so don't think that they have to be one or the other. They're just also called determiners in many cases by many grammarians and many resources. So don't be surprised if you're looking and you find these types of pronouns in the lists that you're looking for, okay? Also, don't be surprised when you should be looking at determiners to make sense of this concept using pronouns in this manner, but I digress. The last one is interrogative pronouns. Which, what, whose, whom, all of those things and other types, those are the interrogative pronouns that make up determiners. And much like with the possessive pronouns, that same thing still applies. So I don't want to make this go on for too long though. I wanted to lay that out as a concept so you have a base in English, assuming it's your native language or at least one that you're really familiar with, so that you can make better relations to your target language and learn faster, more effectively, and efficiently. I really hope this helps. Let me know in a comment what language you're learning and what I could have done better for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.